Cleaning up your classroom at the end of the school year is a very daunting task. Right now, you are probably very exhausted and want the end of the school year to be over as quickly as possible. But I will give you 10 ideas to pack up expeditiously and stress-free. Make lists before you head to your classroom to stay organized. You might want to make a list of what you need to do exactly in your classroom, and you might want to have another list of what things you need to bring home. Set a time limit of how long you should stay in the classroom and stick to that limit so you can get in and out as fast as you can. Decide upon a storage system. How will you put all your things away? Will you put them in brown boxes or clear containers like the Sterilite ones, or non-clear containers? Even baggies or Ziploc extra large bags work for looser items. Personally, I have used grocery bags, tied them up, store things just like that, but make sure you label everything. A permanent marker will become your best friend. Pack up in zones. Decide what area you want to attack first. I would suggest starting around the perimeter of the room. Start in one corner and make your way around the whole entire room, and then do everything that's in the middle. That's what I did, and I cleaned up my classroom fairly quickly. Purge, pass, or donate. If you haven't used something in a while, throw it away. Don't keep it. You probably won't ever use it again. Or if you just can't part with it, pass it on to a fellow teacher or bring it home and donate it to someone that might be able to use it one day. Some teachers like to clean as you pack, but at this point of the year, I would not really suggest that. But if you really must, clean off the desks and clean the floor and vacuum clean the rug, go ahead and do so. But this is a personal choice. Make sure you clear your walls. Take down everything that you must. Sometimes you can leave things up on your bulletin boards and cover them with butcher paper or sheets or anything else you can get your hands on, but clear those walls, because when your classroom is being cleaned, you don't want water to splash up on something that might be on a bulletin board. So it's best to just clear your walls, clear your bulletin boards, start over from fresh in the fall. You need to bag students' work if you plan on having them take it home. So because of the virus, you have to kind of set up a schedule as to how and when you are going to get students' work out to them. But the students probably want their work, want their personal belongings, so bag it up in brown bags or grocery bags, whatever you have. Write their name on the outside. Work with your office and administration as to when the parents can come pick up their students' work. Label your classroom furniture. Your furniture will probably be moved out of your classroom for summer cleaning, especially if the custodial staff has to strip and wax the floors. So what I do is I use the blue painter's tape, and I put little pieces of tape on every single thing in my classroom that I know will be moved out of the classroom. I write my room number so that after they take it out, they bring it back inside, they know that it's in the right room. It kind of takes a long time, but it's worth it so that your things do not get put in another classroom. After your room is all cleaned up, you might want to take pictures of what your room looks like, and especially what's in your closets. So if you are at home and you're thinking about what was in my closet, what do I need for next year, you have pictures that will remind you of what you have in your classroom. And you also might want to make a classroom map of where your furniture goes and put it on your whiteboard so that when the custodial staff puts all the furniture back in your classroom, they know exactly where it goes. Even if you might want to rearrange it when you come back in the fall, at least it just won't be thrown in your classroom in a complete mess. Limit your teacher summer break work. Summer is a time for relaxation. Summer is your break. I know you might want to start planning ahead for the next year, but because of this virus, we don't even know what the next school year is going to look like. Are we going to be at home teaching remotely? Distance learning still in place? Are we going to be at school part of the time and at home? So give yourself a much needed break. Don't pull out that lesson plan book for 2020, 2021. Relax, relax, relax. Enjoy the summer. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell to receive future fabulous videos. I hope that these 10 things have helped you get in your classroom and get out. Bye.